Let's paint a flower garden! Super easy and fun. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Art Journey channel. Today, we're going to have so much fun creating a beautiful flower garden painting. It's going to be easy and super colorful, perfect for artists of all ages. Materials: a big piece of paper, paintbrushes in different sizes, a big one for painting the background, and some smaller ones for the flowers, a cup of water to keep our brushes clean and juicy, and of course, lots of fun paints. We can use any colors we like: red, yellow, blue, purple. The sky's the limit. Let's paint the grass. First, let's paint the ground where our flowers will grow. We can use our biggest brush and dip it in green paint. Then, with one big swipe across the bottom of our paper, we can make a nice green grassy area for our flowers. Time for the flowers. All right, now for the fun part, the flowers. We can use our smaller brushes and choose any color we like: red, yellow, blue, purple, anything you can imagine. Let's start with a simple flower. We can make a circle for the flower head and then add a little green line coming down from the bottom for the stem. More flower fun! Flowers come in all shapes and sizes. We can make some taller flowers by painting a long green stem and then a big circle on top of the flower head. Let's try using different colors for these flowers. We can even make some squiggly flowers. Just use your brush to make a funny squiggle shape and then add a little circle on the end for the flower head. Don't worry about making it perfect, just have fun. Don't forget the leaves. Our flowers are looking great. Now, to make them look even prettier, let's add some leaves. We can use our green paintbrush again to make little pointy shapes around the base of the flower stems. Show off your artwork. Look how amazing your flower garden looks. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to paint flowers. The most important thing is to have fun and be creative. Thanks for joining me on this art journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art lessons. We'll see you next time.